AI writes code 10x faster than developers. Tesla approved. Let's rip the Band-Aid off. Coding is a beautiful, frustrating, soul-craning grind. You spend hours wrestling syntax, debugging eldritch errors, and praying to the Stack Overflow gods, only to realize your elegant solution resembles a Rube Goldberg machine held together by digital duct tape. But what if I told you there's a technological particle accelerator blasting through this reality? An AI Copilot that doesn't just assist developers. It launches them in a hyperspace, churning out clean, functional code 10x faster than human hands. And no, this isn't sci-fi fanfiction. It's happening right now at Tesla, SpaceX, and in startups worldwide. Buckle up, hit compile, and prepare for the era of AI-powered supervelocity coding. The developer's dilemma. Why we're stuck in debugging purgatory. Imagine, the junior dev stares blankly at a terminal, drowning in null-pointer exception nightmares. The senior architect spends 70% of their time reviewing spaghetti code instead of innovating. The project manager watches the Gantt chart bleed red as deadlines implode. Why is traditional coding so slow? 1. Boilerplate hell. Writing API endpoints, CRUD operations, or config files is repetitive, draining creativity. 2. Debugging black holes. One missing semicolon can vaporize 4 hours of progress. 3. Research rabbit holes. Scouring docs, forums, and legacy code bases eats daylight. 4. Not my code syndrome. Untangling a teammate's logic feels like defusing a bomb blindfolded. Enter AI, the coding equivalent of strapping a Falcon 9 rocket to your IDE. How AI achieves ludicrous speed. Tesla's secret sauce. At Tesla, where software controls actual rockets on wheels, speed isn't optional, it's survival. Leaked workflows reveal how AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and custom Codex/Gemini integrations transform their dev cycle. Traditional coding, AI, turbo mode, Tesla approved. 3 hours writing Python data parser AI drafts, 90% in 8 minutes. Manual debugging across 10 files, AI spots errors as you type. Googling async await best practices, AI injects optimized patterns instantly. PR reviews blocking merges AI reviews and suggests fixes in real time. The workflow magic. 1. Intent code in 3 seconds. 1. You type. Sort user data by purchase date. Filter VIPs. Export to CSV. 2. AI generates. Python. Import pandas as PD. df equals PD read_Hasan. Users.json. Users.json. VIP for users equals df status equals VIP. Sort_values by equals last_purchase. VIP for users ._CSV. VIP for users CSV. Index equals false. 2. Context-aware superpowers. AI studies your entire code base, not just open files. It knows. 1. Calculate revenue. Expects this data format. 2. We use Axios, not fetch in this repo. 3. Kevin's API module is deprecated. Use Sarah's. 3. Debugging while you nap. Paste an error log, AI diagnoses it, and suggests 3 fixes ranked by safety. Example. Error. Cannot read property address of undefined. AI fix. Add null check. User.address.city unknown. Underscore 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 underscore. The 10x breakdown. No hype, just math. Study, GitHub, 2023 developers using Copilot completed tasks 55% faster, with 10x gains on repetitive tasks. Tesla internal data. AI cut boilerplate coding by 88%, freeing senior devs for R&D. Where AI obliterates bottlenecks. Documentation generation. Write a function AI auto-generates doc strings in 20 seconds. Unit tests. Describe behavior AI writes test cases covering edge scenarios. Legacy code modernization. Convert this jQuery to React hooks done. Multilingual mastery. Needs SQL, Go, or Kubernetes YAML. AI context switches instantly. Underscore 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 underscore. The comical caveats. When your AI Copilot gets sassy. AI isn't flawless. It's a snarky intern with a PhD. The overly literal assistant. You. Make this function faster. AI refactors code but deletes all comments. Velocity achieved. The passive-aggressive reviewer. AI suggestion. Consider renaming variable X to not underscore crime underscore against underscore readability. The existential coder. AI-generated comment / this works, but at what cost to our souls? The creative solutionist. Asked to fix a date bug, AI implements a new Timezone library in assembly. Important. Tesla engineers stress. AI doesn't replace thinking. It automates grunt work so humans tackle genius-level problems. Underscore 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 underscore. Beyond speed, the Tesla-approved mind shift. Elon's teams don't use AI for raw speed alone. They leverage it for risk reduction. AI spots security flaws, SQL, XSS pre-commit. Knowledge democratization. Junior devs ship production-grade code faster. Innovation amplification. More time for R&D equals breakthroughs like Tesla's neural networks. A senior Tesla dev's verdict. It's like going from hand-carving marble to directing a laser cutter. You're still the sculptor, but now you create masterpieces in days, not years. Underscore 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 underscore. The future, your AI-powered dev utopia. The trajectory is clear. 1. Real-time collaboration. AI translates your voice / whiteboard sketch flawless code. 2. Self-healing codebases. AI patches bugs in production before users notice. 3. Zero boilerplate development. Describe features AI builds full-stack prototypes. Warning, managers may ask, why hire 10 devs when AI does 100x the work? Reality, AI makes one dev 10x more powerful. It doesn't replace human ingenuity, though it will replace developers who refuse to adapt. underscore 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 underscore. Conclusion. Code like Iron Man, not a medieval blacksmith. The age of coding as a slow, solitary grind is over. AI is your JRVS, transforming vague ideas into bulletproof code at machine speeds. Tesla didn't just approve this. They weaponized it to outpace entire industries. Your move? Embrace the Copilot. Use GitHub Copilot, Cody, or CodeWhisperer. Focus on strategy. Let AI handle syntax. You architect the future. Laugh at the glitches when AI suggests RF/ to clean up disk space. Chuckle and hit cancel. The 10x developer isn't a myth. It's a human augmented by AI. Strap in, prompt your IDE, and start building at the speed of thought. Your code just hit ludicrous speed. Disclaimer: no developers were replaced by AI in the making of this essay. But Kevin's boilerplate code? Terminated with extreme prejudice. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.